Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are excited about this Target dollar spot shop with me. I know I am. I loved all the home decor they have especially, and so I found another Target that is fully stocked, and I definitely plan to do a Target dollar spot specific for home decor only. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on that one. I will be posting that later this week. And I'm definitely loving all the colors, the navies, the blacks, the whites, and the sage greens. I think they're very neutral, simple, classy looks to your home. So I definitely am in love with their line right now. And I don't normally buy their candles, but these definitely smelled really good, especially like this one, like the pineapple sage. And I think just because I'm more partial to those types of scents, but it smelled really good. And their wooden trays are always so cute. They're like the perfect size, and for like $5, you can't beat that. And they always have the cake stands, and of course you have your classic white, but then they also have black and this really pretty red one as well. And again, with the wooden signs, they are just too cute to pass up. There's so many different decor ideas that you can do with these. I really, again, love the neutral colors that they're using. So they have all kinds of note cards, which I thought were really cute for $1. And then I found this random Valentine kitchen towel, which I thought was adorable. If you guys are really into like the bright red look, don't worry, there is definitely more kitchen towels coming up. And of course I gotta get my fix on banners. I love banners, so I was definitely trying to figure out which ones I was gonna get because there's just so many, and there's actually a couple of more further on into the video. And they had a couple of different kinds of tins. If you guys are into like that farmhouse type look, these are definitely a good deal. And they had a lot of cutesy like Valentine different kinds of items, and I really like these balloons. For example, these you just blow up yourself, and I've used them before for parties, and I think they are a really good deal. They had a couple of different kinds of like cookie cutters for specifically for Valentine's Day, so if you guys are really into baking, these were really cute. And they had a couple of different kinds of napkin rings. I really liked like this leather look with like the black and the white. I think it'll look really cute together. And they had a like whole section for hot cocoa bar. I think this would have been awesome for Christmas time, but it's okay because we can still stock up on it. They had so many cute items for like your coffee bar slash hot cocoa station. So there's so many things here to grab. And I do have to say that I really am in love with their dish towels right now, especially, of course, the black and the white one. I think that they're just very classy, and they make like your living area just look really nice and clean. I was totally in love with these. I don't know what you would call them, but I was thinking of putting like my coffee station on top of it. I thought that the colors were real pretty, and again, I was going to go with that black and white striped one. And I did pick up this black and white planter. Of course I had to because it was black and white, but they had so many cute things. I really like these hanging signs as well. I think they're really pretty. I didn't pick one up because I didn't know what I would do with it, but they are there. And I fell in love with like their planner calendar section. Everything there was so pretty. They made it so like the colors were very soft and light, and it just made it very like aesthetically appealing. So definitely check out their planners and all their like office decor if you guys are interested or need that right now.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together.
And they have a whole lot of like the little dollar store or dollar section area that there's like stickers, Valentines, goodies, things like that that you can use for your child's Valentine's class. So they definitely had a lot of those, which I didn't get real into detail in this video, but just wanted to do a quick overall view. And then of course they have like these different wooden puzzles right now, which I thought were really adorable, really cute for your kids, especially if they're learning their letters and their colors. And I love that they're wooden because they're sturdy. And then of course the wooden toys as well.
And how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
And that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite home decor items right now that they have, if you're really into the style that they have, which is more like farmhouse decor. So I'm really loving it. I love the color scheme. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. That way you guys will know when I post that next upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
They would be together. Ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know.